In this video, we're unboxing and installing OE replacement strut assembly kit on this 2010 Honda Civic. In the box, you'll find the OE replacement strut assembly kit. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Rear shock absorber, front strut assembly with spring and top mount, instruction manual, tools required for the shock removal and installation. You will need a large torque wrench, a large digital torque wrench, a large electric impact wrench, a medium electric impact wrench, a pry bar, a 17mm wrench, a 19mm wrench, a 13mm socket, a 17mm socket, a 14mm socket, a 14mm mid-length socket. Start by removing the wheel. Use a 17mm socket to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle. Use a 13mm socket to remove the brake line bracket bolt. Use a pry bar to detach the wheel speed sensor bracket. Use an 18mm socket with a 17mm wrench to remove the lower strut bolt. Use a 19mm wrench with a 17mm socket to remove the other lower strut bolt. Remove the bolts. Separate the knuckle from the strut. Lower the vehicle. Open the hood. Secure the hood prop rod. Remove the left side strut tower cover. Remove the weather strip. Take off the cover plate. Use a 14mm socket to remove the strut top mount nuts. Remove the old strut. Position the new strut into place. Place the nuts on. Use a 14mm socket to secure the new strut top mount nuts. Lift the vehicle. Tighten the strut top mount nuts to 45 Newton meters or 33 foot-pounds. Position the knuckle and insert the bolts. Install the other bolt. Install the nut. Install the other nut. Use an 18mm socket with a 17mm wrench to tighten the lower strut bolt. Use a 17mm socket with a 19mm wrench to tighten the other lower strut bolt. Tighten the lower strut bolts to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds using a 17mm socket. Install the brake line bracket bolt. Use a 13mm socket to tighten the brake line bracket nut. Snap the wheel speed sensor bracket back in place. Replace the cover plate. Reinstall the weather strip. Lower the hood support strut. Close the hood. Install the wheel. Place the lug nuts on. Use a 17mm socket to install the lug nuts. Tighten the lug nuts to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds using a 17mm socket. Tools required to remove rear shocks on Honda Civic. You will need a large torque wrench, a large electric impact wrench, a pry bar, a large 14mm socket, A large 17mm socket. Use a 17mm socket to remove the rear lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle. Use a 14mm socket to remove the lower shock bolt. Lower the vehicle. Open the trunk lid. Remove the trunk mat. Use a pry bar to remove the trim clips. Remove the foam padding. Take off the rear trim panel. Use a pry bar to detach the interior side liner. Set the liner aside. Use a 14mm socket to remove the upper shock mount nut. Remove the nut and washer. Remove the old rear shock. Prepare the new shock for installation. For installing, transfer the upper rubber bushing and washer to the new shock. Insert the new shock. Install the upper bushing and washer. Place the nut on. Insert the lower shock bolt. Use a 14mm socket to secure the lower shock bolt. Tighten the lower shock bolt to 100 Newton meters or 74 foot-pounds. Use a 14mm socket to secure the upper shock mount nut. Install the rear wheel. Install the lug nuts. Use a 17mm socket to secure the rear lug nuts. Tighten the rear lug nuts to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds. Reinstall the interior side liner. Reinstall the trim clips. Replace the foam padding. Snap the clips into place. Reinstall the rear trim panel. Replace the trunk mat. Close the trunk lid.